everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Manpreet. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about a topic that we use in our daily life but we don't know what it is actually known as. So today's topic is contractions in English grammar. So without further ado, let's get started. So contractions are generally shortened form of words which are shortened with the help of apostrophes. These contractions are generally verbs, auxiliaries or modals added with them. For example, he would changes into he apostrophe d, he'd. I have changes into I apostrophe ve. For example, I've done my work. Not I have done my work. So there is a difference between both of. So let's discuss some examples related to contractions. Number 1, are not changes into aren't. Could not changes into couldn't. Did not changes into didn't. Do not changes into don't. He is changes into his. I am changes into I am. I have changes into I've. I will changes into I'll. Is not changes into isn't. It is changes into its. Must not changes into mustn't. She will changes into she'll. She is changes into she's. Should not changes into shouldn't. That is changes into that's. There is changes into theirs. They will changes into they'll. You are changes into your. Where is changes into where's. And last is was not changes into wasn't. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, kindly hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram page for the same. I'll link it down in the description box or somewhere here on the screen. You can go and follow me there. Now I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.